How it works. We set an intelligent perimeter around your home with next-gen cameras that detect motion and instantly stream video to our smart hub, where computer vision and artificial intelligence separate the noise from the real threats. The hub instantly streams real threats to live Sentinel agents. Live Sentinels intervene in suspicious behavior within seconds to stop the intruder. Live Sentinels engage law enforcement faster than any other security company. They're protecting your home 24/7, so you don't have to.